Hello everyone, Mike Ditas here, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial, helping you buy, sell, and lease commercial real estate here in Central Florida. Today, I'm here with Bryan Fifer, owner and operator of Bryan Fifer State Farm Insurance, and Tara Zale, who's the Director of Operations and Customer Service with Bryan. Bryan has been with State Farm since 2007 and has had his own agency for over 8 years. Bryan and Tara are passionate about working with their customers, protecting their assets and their income. Bryan, Tara, thank you for being here today.
Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So today, I really wanted to talk about business operations and some insurance questions. Bryan, what is an umbrella policy, and when would someone need to add that to their coverage?
Yeah. So in the simplest term, an umbrella policy is a second layer of insurance against lawsuits. Okay. So again, as we talked about, a general liability is your base policy, and that's going to provide at least $1 million of coverage. But what happens if somebody gets hurt on your property or tries to sue you and it's more than $1 million? The umbrella policy steps in at that point and will start to pay any of your legal fees and any kind of settlement above and beyond what your general liability policy has. Another thing that's important is to look at your lease to see if that's required. There are a lot of landlords that will require you to not only carry a general liability, but also carry a business auto insurance policy. They'll also require you to have an umbrella policy. And sometimes those limits can be pretty excessive, like $5 or $10 million, depending on the type of business that you're insuring. But again, it is very important to read your lease, to know what you need legally, but also have a real estate and an insurance broker that you're working with that's going to advise you based on your business, what your exposure is, and what's the cost to protect that full exposure.
Bryan, Tara, I really want to thank you for having me out here today. If someone wanted to learn more about the Bryan Fifer State Farm Insurance Agency, what's the best way for someone to do that?
Well, thank you, Mike. We appreciate the opportunity to connect with you and getting to know you a little bit deeper. If anybody would love to work with me, my agency, my team, best thing to do is just go ahead and reach out to us by phone or on our website. They can go to bryanfifer.com. There's a form at the bottom where they can fill out some information, and that comes right to us that we can reach out to them. They can actually attach their insurance documents right there if they want us to review. Speaking of reviews, go to Google, just put our name in there. You'll be able to read all the different Google reviews. Those are one-on-one testimonials from our customers. You'll really get a feel for our office by not only reading the reviews, but also seeing the pictures on there.
And when we say Bryan, you say Fifer.
Fifer. Well, thanks so much, guys. And I really want to thank the good folks over at Splash Social Marketing for putting on this video series. They help businesses of all sizes with their social media, their marketing, their website. They can be reached at splashsocialmarketing.com. Again, I'm Mike Ditas, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial. Thank you.